Hello. Do you want to speak English easily? Do you want to understand English step by step? You are in the right place. Welcome to United States English. Here, you learn English with simple words, short sentences, easy listening, slow and clear English. This channel is for beginners. This channel is for A1 learners. No stress, no fear. Listen every day, practice every day, improve your English step by step. Subscribe to United States English and start your English journey today. Hello, Adam.
Hello, Emily. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine. I feel happy today.
That's nice. Adam, today let's talk about vacation.
Oh, I like vacation.
Me too. Vacation is fun. What is a vacation?
Emily, what is a vacation?
A vacation is a time to rest. A vacation is a break from work. A vacation is a break from school.
Yes, people stop working, people stop studying.
Right. People relax their mind. People relax their body.
Vacation makes people happy.
Yes, Adam. Vacation is very important. When do people go on vacation?
Emily, when do people go on vacation?
People go on vacation in summer. People go on vacation in winter.
I like summer vacation
Why do you like summer?
because the weather is warm, the days are long, I feel active.
That's good. Some people like winter vacation.
Yes, winter is cold. There is snow.
People wear warm clothes. They drink hot tea.
Every season is good for vacation.
Adam, where do people go on vacation?
People go to many places.
Yes, some people go to the beach.
The beach is beautiful.
There is sand. There is blue water.
People swim. People relax.
Some people go to the mountains.
The mountains are quiet.
The air is fresh. The view is nice.
Some people go to big cities.
Cities are busy. There are shops and cafes.
Some people stay at home.
Yes, this is called a staycation. Talking about the beach. Emily, do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What do you do at the beach?
I walk on the sand. I listen to the sea.
That sounds nice.
Children play in the sand. They make sand castles.
People wear sunglasses. People wear hats.
The beach feels calm and happy.
Adam, do you like the mountains?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it is quiet. There is no noise.
People go hiking.
They walk on small paths. They see trees and flowers.
At night, the sky is clear.
You can see many stars.
The mountains are good for rest. Vacation with family. Emily, do people travel with family?
Yes, many people do.
Parents and children go together.
They eat together. They talk together.
Family time is special.
Children feel happy. Parents feel relaxed.
Family vacations make good memories. Vacation with friends. Adam, what about friends?
Friends also go on vacation together.
They take photos.
They laugh a lot.
They share food.
Vacation makes friendships strong.
Activities on vacation. Adam, what do people do on vacation?
People do many things.
Some people sleep more.
Some people read books.
Some people listen to music.
Some people shop.
Some people try new food.
People do what they like.
There is no stress.
There's no hurry.
Emily, food is important on vacation.
Yes, very important.
People try local food.
They enjoy new tastes.
At the beach, people eat fish.
In the mountains, people eat warm food.
Food makes vacation more fun.
Adam, how do people travel?
Some people travel by plane.
Planes are fast.
Some people travel by car.
Cars are comfortable.
Some people travel by train.
Trains are calm and relaxing.
Emily, how do people feel on vacation?
People feel happy.
They feel relaxed.
They forget work.
They forget stress.
They enjoy the moment.
Okay, I go to the beach.
Nice.
I wake up early. I pack my bag.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
What do you do there?
I walk on the sand. I watch the sea.
That sounds peaceful.
At night, I see the sunset. I feel thankful.
After vacation,
Emily, what happens after vacation?
people go back home.
They feel fresh.
They feel strong.
They are ready to work again.
Vacation gives new energy.
Emily, why is vacation important?
Vacation helps the mind.
Vacation helps the body.
Vacation helps the heart.
People feel happier after vacation.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I like vacation.
I go on vacation in summer.
I travel with my family.
I feel happy on vacation.
Great job.
Thank you for listening.
We talked about vacation today.
Vacation is rest.
Vacation is happiness.
Keep listening.
Keep learning.
See you next time.
Tree, plane, sunset.